Fast copy and friends. We are still working on this file format here. And let's go into the code. FILE896, we have this new section here. Pixel copy helpers. We have fast copy GPU to disk, which is going to take the component index of the GPU pixel, component index of the disk pixel, and copy it from the GPU memory to the disk memory. And then down here we have the inverse, disk to GPU. So we have the disk component index, the GPU component index, and we are copying from the disk to the GPU. Then we have bit copy GPU disk that takes those two component indexes and the bit range we want to copy over. We're going to make sure that the number of bits in both selections is identical, otherwise we're going to throw an error, and then the number of bits is this or that because they're identical, and if it's exactly 32 bits, we'll use the fast copy, otherwise we're going to have to do some crazy bit packing, unpacking kind of math over here. Then we have the inverse function, disk to GPU bit copy. We have the component index of the disk and GPU pixels, the bit selection on the disk, bit selection on the GPU. We're going to get the number of bits in both of those selections, make sure those numbers of bits are the same, and then put num bits, assign num bits to this or that because they're the same value. If we have exactly 32 bits, then we're going to use the fast copy. But if we're copying over a subsection of the pixel, then we have to do some slow, bit shifty, bit packy, unpacky kind of math. Down here is what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Source code is here. Email me down here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.